Good morning, students. Today topic: what is chemical reaction and the types of chemical reactions. What is chemical reaction? The change of one or more substances into other substances having different composition and properties is called chemical reaction. The change of one or more substances into other substances having different composition and properties is called a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, the substances which react together are called reactants, whereas the new substances formed are called products. Classification of the chemical reactions based on the nature of rearrangements of atoms. Classification based on the nature of rearrangements of atoms. What are the classification? The types of chemical reactions: combination, single replacement or single displacement, double replacement or double displacement, decomposition, combustion reaction, combination, single replacement or single displacement, double replacement or double displacement, decomposition, and combustion reaction. Different types of chemical reactions: combination reaction, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions. These are also extra type of chemical reactions: oxidation reduction reactions, precipitation reactions, exothermic and endothermic reactions. Combination. This is example for combination. Two reactants involved to form a single product. This is combination reaction. Decomposition. Only one reactant to form more than one compound. This is decomposition. Next, displacement reaction. This is displacement. AB is the first reactant. C is the second reactant. A combined with the C in the product side. So this is displacement or single displacement. Then double displacement reaction. Double displacement occur in this reaction. Next, oxidation reduction reaction, precipitation reaction, and exothermic endothermic reactions. Synthesis reaction. First one, synthesis reaction is also called combination reaction and also called composition reaction. Combination reaction is also called synthesis reaction and composition reactions. Combination: two reactants A and B to form a single product, that is AB. This is combination reaction. Decomposition: only one reactant to form more than one product. This is decomposition reaction. Then AB is the first reactant, C is the second reactant. The product side, A combined with C. So this is replacement or displacement. Only one displacement is occur in this reaction. So this is called single replacement or single displacement reaction. The last reaction, AB is the first reactant, CD is the second reactant. The product side, A combined with C, AC, another product B combined with D, that is BD. So double displacement or double replacement is occur in this reaction. So this is double displacement or double replacement reaction. Combination reaction. What is combination reaction? A combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more reactants combination reactions. A combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a compound. To form a compound, only one compound is formed. It is otherwise called synthesis reaction or composition reaction. Other name of combination reaction, it is synthesis reaction or composition reaction. When a reactant A combines with B, it forms the product AB. A is the first reactant, B is the second reactant. To form AB is the product. A combined with B to form AB. This is combination reaction. First reactant A, second reactant B, two reactants involved in this reaction A and B to form a single product, that is AB. This is a product. These are also other examples of combination reaction. SO3 plus H2O, first reactant, second reactant. Single product only is formed, H2SO4. SO3 plus H2O gives H2SO4. Single product is formed. Two reactants, one product. Here Fe plus S gives FeS. Two reactants, one product. Next N2 plus 3H2 to form 2NH3. First reactant, second reactant to form a single product. NH3 plus HCl, first reactant, second reactant to form a single product, NH4Cl. Then 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. In all these reactions, two reactants are take part, but only one product is formed. So this is combination reaction. The first reaction, SO3 and H2O is the reactant. In the second reaction, Fe and S is the reactant. In the third reaction, N2 and 3H2 is the reactant. The fourth reaction, NH3 and HCl are the reactants. The last reaction, H2 and O2, two reactants involved to form a single product. So these are also the example of combination reaction. Hydrogen gas combines with the chlorine gas to form hydrogen chloride gas. This is another example. H2 plus Cl2 give 2HCl. This is combination reaction. Hydrogen gas combines with the chlorine gas to form hydrogen chloride gas. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. This is combination reaction. First reactant, second reactant, it is H2 plus Cl2 to form 2HCl, hydrogen chloride. This is combination reaction. Depending on the chemical nature of the reactants, there are three classes of combination reactions. First one, element plus element gives compound. Second one, compound plus element gives compound. Third one, compound plus compound gives compound. Element plus element gives compound. Compound plus element gives compound. Compound plus compound gives compound. Depending on the chemical nature of the reactants. This is an important point. Depending on the chemical nature of the reactants, there are three classes of combination reactions. Element plus element gives compound. Compound plus element gives compound. Compound plus compound gives compound. Element plus element gives compound. First example. In this type of combination reaction, two elements react with one another to form a compound. That is, single compound only is formed. The reaction may take place between a metal and a non-metal or two non-metals. This is an important point. The reaction may take place between a metal and a non-metal or two non-metals. Example for element plus element gives compound. Example for element plus element gives compound. Here solid sulfur react with oxygen. Solid sulfur react with oxygen. It produces sulfur dioxide SO2. In this reaction, both the reactants are non-metals. Element plus element gives compound. Solid sulfur react with oxygen. It produces sulfur dioxide. S plus O2 gives SO2. In this reaction, both the reactants are non-metal. Sulfur is a non-metal. Oxygen is also the non-metal. To form a new product SO2. Two reactants involved. This is the first element. This is second element. This is the compound. Sodium, a silvery white metal. This is another example. Sodium, this is a silvery white metal, combines with chlorine, that is a pale yellow-green gas, to form sodium chloride, an edible compound. Sodium, a silvery white metal, combines with chlorine, a pale yellow-green gas, to form sodium chloride, an edible compound. Here, one of the reactant is metal, that is sodium is a metal, and the other, that is chlorine, is a non-metal. Sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal, 2NaCl. This is the product. Sodium is metal, chlorine is non-metal. This is another type of example. Here H2, hydrogen plus hydrogen, hydrogen plus hydrogen, 2H2, hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, so 2H2 plus 2 oxygen, O2, 2H2 plus O2. This is element, hydrogen is a element, oxygen is also element, to form compound 2H2O. This is compound. Element plus element gives compound. Next type, element plus compound gives new compound, or compound plus element gives new compound. Next type. Example, compound plus element gives compound. In this type of reaction, a compound react with an element, a compound, that is PCl3, react with an element, that is Cl2, chlorine, to form a new compound, that is PCl5. This is compound. In this type of reaction, a compound, that is PCl3, react with an element Cl2 to form a new compound PCl5. Example, phosphorus trichloride, PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, react with chlorine gas Cl2, form phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Compound plus element gives compound. Next type, compound plus compound gives compound. Compound plus compound gives compound. It is a reaction between two compounds to form a new compound. Silicon dioxide react with calcium oxide. Silicon dioxide SiO2 react with calcium oxide CaO to form calcium silicate CaSiO3. Okay, compound SiO2, this is a compound. CaO, this is also compound, to form the new compound CaSiO3. SiO2 plus CaO gives CaSiO3. New compound is formed. Most of the combination reactions are exothermic in nature because they involve the formation of new bonds, which releases a huge amount of energy in the form of heat. This is an important point. Most of the combination reactions are exothermic in nature because they involve the formation of new bonds, which releases a huge amount of energy in the form of heat. So heat energy is produced in this reaction. So this is exothermic reaction. Most of the combination reactions are exothermic in nature. Thank you, students.